Today we will be learning about the phylum Coelenterata or Nidaria. What are the common characteristics they are having? First, they are aquatic. They are aquatic and mostly marine, sessile or free swimming. Sessile or free swimming, and their symmetry is radially symmetrical. Their symmetry is radially symmetrical. And the name Nidaria is derived from the nidoblast or nidocytes. What is nidoblast or nidocytes? Look at the picture. This is a diagrammatic view of the nidoblast, and it contains stinging capsules, nematocytes, stinging capsules or nematocytes, and it is present on the tentacles and the body. It is present on the tentacles and the body. So first, what we have read, that they are mostly marine and aquatic. They may be sessile or free living. Their symmetry is radially symmetrical, and their name Nidaria is derived from the nidoblast or nidocyst, which is present. Where it is present? You have to remember, it is present on the tentacles and the body, not only on the tentacles or not only on the body. It is present on the tentacles and the body. It is a very important line. And what is that nidoblast? It contains stinging capsules or nematocysts. Now, what is the use of that nidoblast? Nidoblasts are used for anchorage, defense, and for capture of the prey. I am repeating, nidoblasts are used for anchorage, defense, and capture of the prey. And they are showing tissue level of body organization, and they are diploblastic. That means 2 layers can be found. And they are having a central gastrovascular cavity with a single opening mouth on where? Hypostome. This line is also important, hypostome. And their digestion is both extracellular and intracellular. And some of the nidarians, that means one example is corals, have a skeleton composed of calcium carbonate. That means they are having a hard skeleton which is made up of calcium carbonate, and common example is corals. Next, they have 2 basic body forms. One is polypa and second one is medusa. One is polypa and second one is polyp and second one is medusa. The former is sessile and cylindrical form like hydra, adamsia, etc. Whereas the latter is umbrella shaped and free swimming like Aurelia or jellyfish. So you have to remember the examples. Like 2 forms we have seen. One is polyp and second one is medusa. And how they look? Look at the picture. This is medusa. Okay, this is medusa and this one is polyp. This is an example of organism named adamsia. Okay, and this is an example of organism Aurelia. So medusa can be found in Aurelia, and in adamsia polyform can be found. These 2 are 2 different body forms. And what are the difference between them? Let me repeat that. This one, that means polyp, is sessile and cylindrical form. This type form can be found in hydra and adamsia. And this one is, you can see, umbrella shape. So umbrella shape, they are free swimming, and this type of body form can be found in Aurelia, or it is also called as commonly jellyfish. Clear? Now, next important part is that those nidarians which exhibit in both forms exhibit alternation of generation. This term defines that metagenesis. Alternation of generation can be found where these 2 forms can be found. That means polyp produce medusa asexually, and medusa forms the polyp sexually. And the name of the organism where these 2 forms can be found is Obelia. Okay, so look at the chart. That is, polyp can form medusa asexually, and from the medusa polyp will be formed bisexually, and this is alternating. So this is called as alternation of generation or metagenesis, and this can be found in Obelia. So this is the common characteristics of phylum Nidaria from the NCERT.